How to add my name in WhatsApp message. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on your three dotted line at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on settings. Now it will lead you to the settings of your device. So what you simply need to do is just tap on the account option. Rather, go back and tap on privacy. So here you can see any other options rather than seeing other privacy section. So what you simply have to do is tap on your profile picture over here. As you do that, you'll be able to see your name and pencil icon beside your name. So here you can just make the necessary changes over here. Then tap on save and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.